Your vagus nerve is the longest nerve plexus in your body. It's actually thousands of nerves together, but it runs up and down, um, around the head, through the cheeks, from the brain stem, down into the heart, down into the gut. It actually goes into quite a few of your organs, and it's got as much communication going up as it does down, so it's a two-way highway. And the vagus nerve is really the nerve that responds to feeling safe or not safe. And so when you're not feeling safe for whatever reason, whether it's just stress or overwhelm in your life, or there's something really like very scary going on, your vagus nerve gets dysregulated, and then all the systems that it connects with get dysregulated. So it's sort of a master control, and we're going to try to tone it up with all sorts of bizarre ways of doing it. Well, let's start with a heart math practice. The heart math practices themselves are very connected to the vagus nerve, because when we breathe in and out of the chest area, we start shifting our system from fight and flight into a calmer state, which could either be called rest and digest or safe and social. And then the messages start going upward from the vagus nerve into the higher thinking part of the brain, which then shifts us out of the more primitive brain, which is more of our reaction brain, and helps us to think clearer and make better decisions. So I think that's a great place to start today. So find any comfortable seated position. It does not have to be on the floor. And just start by slowing your breath down and directing the breath to the chest area. If it helps, you can place one or two hands on it. You don't have to. If it helps, you can keep eyes open or closed. Keep the breaths slow and steady and even if possible. Notice any changes already that might be occurring in your body or your mind or your emotions. And then we're going to activate something called inner ease. So some people find saying the words over and over again as a mantra, inner ease, can be helpful. Other people just visualize what ease means to them, even recalling a time or a place when they felt totally at ease. Other people imagine what ease might sound like. They might even give it a color, if there's a color that represents ease to you. There might actually be a different word that's more appealing to you, like peace, serenity. So we're just breathing this feeling of ease in and out of our heart center. Which has the purpose of sort of shifting from whatever anxious state we're in into possibly a more easeful state Or if you can't get all the way over to ease, a more neutral state. And then once you find what's working for you, to get into that place of inner ease with the heart-focused breathing, it's really important to anchor this so that you remember, oh, this is how I shift. It's a word, it's a phrase, it's a scent, it's a thought, whatever, it's a person, a place, a pet. And some people need to jot this down on a post-it note and post it everywhere as reminders. Because when we get into these states, often we forget how to activate this. So this is like your little cheat sheet.